Imagine making money online just by reading words. Crazy, right? Well, believe it or not, you can do exactly just that. And in today's video, we are going to be teaching you how you can make $200 up to $1,000 in just 45 minutes, all by reading words. Now you might be asking, why do you need to watch this video? Well, simply because our method for today is completely free and it is available worldwide. And also, you will learn everything you need to know to make this method work, all in today's video. You will also see the earning potential of today's method and how easy it is to achieve all of this. You're going to regret missing out on this opportunity if you ever decide to click off this video now or decide to click off this video when you haven't finished it yet. Also, you won't need any skills or experience for today's method, which means this method is for anyone and everyone. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, before going any further into today's video, we want to show you how much money you can actually make with our method for today. As you can see on our screen here, if you read 30 to 45 minutes, you can earn $1,000 to $1,249. So you can even earn more than $1,000 in 45 minutes or less, which is just absolutely insane. So let's quickly divide $1,000 by 45 minutes. You would be making an easy $22 every single minute. Wow! Just imagine the life you would have after working for just a whole hour. New car, new house, paid bills, and everything. But in order to have that change, you're going to have to watch this whole entire video, because we will be walking you through this whole process. And we will need your 100% attention, because a lot of people commit so many mistakes which result to not getting their desired results. That's why it's very important to pay close attention and follow along closely. And we obviously want today's method to be successful for you, so just make sure that you stay until the end of today's video. Our website for today is called voices.com. So go on ahead and open that website up, and then this is what you should see. As you can see over here, they've partnered up with big brands like Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, and Hulu. Very big names in the industry, and just with that alone, you'll know that this website is definitely legit and reliable. So basically, this website gives you a lot of projects from different categories, and we will show you in just a few moments which exact category you should choose from that's going to really maximize your earnings. And also, you can select from a wide list of projects, and we will show you what that looks like as well. So basically, once you've chosen the project that you want, they're going to provide you with everything that you need. They're going to give you the script, the template, the book, basically everything that you need in order to start. And all you will need to do is read the script while recording what you're reading, and then they're going to pay you according to the duration of your recording. Like what we showed you earlier, if you read for only 0 to 2 minutes, you can already make an easy $100 to $249, and so on and so forth. So even if you're someone who is on the go, who doesn't have a whole hour available to record and read, You can still do 2-minute recordings or 5-minute recordings and still earn from that as well, and earn a pretty good amount too. There are unlimited job offerings that you can choose from on this website. If you were to do a little research, you'd know that there are websites out there that have jobs today, but then suddenly there's just no more the next day. So when you want to earn consistently, other websites won't be able to offer that to you. But if you do it on here, every single day and every hour even, you can find a job and you can earn and make as much as $1,000 or even more in a day. Before we continue, we want you to let us know what country you're from by leaving a comment down below so that we can make more future videos that will be available to you. Now let's continue. Now another question that we think you might have in mind, what if you don't have a microphone? You don't need a professional microphone. All you need are some earphones connected into your phone, and that should do the job for you easily. You don't even need to show your face or your identity. All they need is your voice for ebooks and audiobooks, videos, and stuff like that. They want to hire people like you to just read some words and record. You won't even need to write anything. Literally, all you're going to do is to record you reading the script given to you. It doesn't even take a lot, and that's really all you need. Now we're going to teach you how you can sign up on this website, how you can get approved and verified, and also how you can find the best project that can help you maximize your earnings. So to sign up, you need to be on the home page, and then once you're on there, just look at the upper right corner of your screen where it says sign up, and then go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on that, you should be brought to this page right here wherein we want you to choose find work as talent, and as soon as you click on that, you will be redirected to this page where you will have to start filling up all of the sign up details being asked. So full name, working email, password, and then don't forget to agree to the terms and services, and once that's all complete, go ahead and click on continue. As soon as you've signed up, you'll immediately see all of the job categories. For example, you have audio ads, audio books, cartoons, digital advertising, e-learning, explainer video, and many more as you scroll down to more. And just by looking through this list, you can immediately tell that there are so many you can choose from. Now we're going to be showing you which ones are the best ones to choose so that you can earn the most money. First one you can choose is audiobooks, and this pays you the most money. The next one is explainer video, which pays you the second most amount of money, and our last recommendation is video games, which obviously pays you the least amount of money. Those are the three that you should choose from, and this is what our focus is going to be for today. For example, let's select audiobooks, and as soon as you select that, this is what you should see next. As you can see, there are so many people on here offering their services. There are both male and female voiceover actors, which means you can really join in on this method. So you can definitely look for jobs for you as well. Now, if you want to make the most money, then make sure that you look for job offerings that require you to record for at least 45 minutes so that you can earn $1,000 in every project that you complete. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's get back into the video. Right now, we want to show you some of the job offerings available as soon as you log into your account. As you can see over here, there are so many job openings for you. $100, $500, $850, and so many more. Now they have over 100 job openings today, and every single day it's like this too. So again, these jobs have scripts prepared for you, and all you need to do is read everything and record your voice, and that's it. You earn right away just like that. So if you actually download the Voices app on your mobile phone, which by the way, you can very much do so, okay, this is how it's going to look like. The script is there and you can directly record into the app, so there's no hassle in this job even. You can download this for free and start earning pronto. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.